इस वीडियो में मैं ज्योग्राफी के 10th क्लास के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगा। आइए शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहला चैप्टर है रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट। व्हाट इज रिसोर्सेज, व्हाट आर इट्स फीचर, गिव एग्जांपल्स। नेक्स्ट, राइट अ बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक रिसोर्सेज, गिव इट्स एग्जांपल। Next, resources on the basis of origin. Next, what are renewable and non-renewable resources? Give examples. Huh? Resources on the basis of exhaustibility. फिर आता है determine individual resource, community owned resource, national resources, international resources, potential resources, stock and reserve resources. इसकी definition देनी है. What is sustainable development and why is it essential for the development? Next, what is land degradation? What are the main causes of land degradation and how it can be prevented? Next, what is soil erosion? What are the main causes with reference to the human activity and natural resources? What is gully vent and sheet erosion? Write the method by which the soil erosion can be checked, यानी कि रोका जा सकता है. Next, by the report of 2000, India wasteland was percentage of water eroded, forest degradation or wind eroded land. Write the percentage of the plain mountain and plateau present in India. Next, what are resources planning? Give its stages, explain the resources conservation. Name the two type of alluvial soil, how is it formed and its characteristics. Main crops which can be sown in the alluvial soil are of four types. Which are they? Write the region in which it is found. Next, rigor soil is also called dash where it is formed. Next, what are the main characteristics of rigor soil? Very useful for the cultivating. कौन कौन से क्रॉप की कल्टीवेशन के लिए तीन क्रॉप बताने हैं. नेक्स्ट, हाउ सॉइल इज उड़ीसा, छत्तीसगढ़ इज येलो और रेड इन कलर, यानी कि उड़ीसा छत्तीसगढ़ का जो सॉइल है वो रेड इन कलर है. How is it formed and used in the cultivation of that? Tea, coffee, and cashew nuts needs the soil dash where it is found. What are the main characteristics of the soil? Next, what is the other name of desert soil? Why is it red to brown in color? यानी कि desert का soil red और brownish color में क्यों होता है? How is it formed? Where are they found in the country? For which crops are they useful? कौन सी crop के लिए वो useful होता है? The loomy and silty in valley side and coarse in the upper slopes are the type of which kind of soil mostly used for the kind of crops. Which kind of crops? कौन से crops? What is land utilization? Define land available for cultivation, uncultivated land, fallow land, net sown area, predominant zone, Deccan trap region, Doras, shows, arable land, and desertification. Which state in the northeast states has fully surveyed for the land? Manipur, Assam, or Tripura? Next, Agenda 21 was signed in 1992 for which motive and in which country? ये 2024 का क्वेश्चन है जो मैं आपको देने जा रहा हूं. What kind of soil is it which develops the area of high temperature, intense leaching due to the heavy rain with less humus content. नेक्स्ट है फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ. पहला है क्वेश्चन, डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, वाइल्ड लाइफ, फ्लोरा, फ्यूना, इकोसिस्टम, जियोलॉजिकल पार्क, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटीज. India has how many plant species and flowering plant species? How many species of animal, birds, insects are present in India? How many types of forest in India? How is ecological imbalance is created? Next, when was the Project Tiger launched in India? When was the Indian Wildlife Protection Act implemented? In which year the provision was added to it? Which mineral mining in Bengal is a threat to the tiger? Who can play vital role in the conservation of forest and wildlife? Next, how is biological loss take place and can be corrected? What is Taxol? As per UN report, per head tree in India are dash and the highest in the world in कौन सी country में? What is the temperature of our environment after every 5 years? What are normal species? Give example. Define endangered species, vulnerable species, rare species, endemic species, and extinct species. Next, which of the following are the normal, endangered, vulnerable, rare, endemic, or extinct? Sal, pine, rodent, second, black buck, blue sheep, crocodile, Himalaya brown bear, wild Asiatic buffalo, desert fox. Next, third, hornbill, Gangetic dolphin, Indian rhino. Next, fourth, lion, tailed macaque, Andaman teal, Nicobar pigeon, Andaman wild pig, Mithun in Arunachal Pradesh, Asiatic cheetah, and pink head duck. Sorry. What is the full form of IUCN? Next, what are the causes of depletion of forest land? What are the reasons for the decline in the biodiversity? Why do we need to conserve the biodiversity? ये 2024 का क्वेश्चन है. Write the method to conserve the forest and wildlife. What are reserve forest, protected forest, and uncalled forest? Next, name the trees which are considered to be scared. One, where is Sarika Tiger Reserve? Why is it important? Next, why is Chipko movement famous and role of community? What is Beej Bachao Andolan? Nav Daya Day. Which bird is disappearing from Delhi region? What is JFM program? Which the first state to adopt JFM? ऐसा वाटर रिसोर्सेज आपके कोर्स से हटा दिया गया है, इसलिए मैं वाटर रिसोर्सेज के नहीं बता रहा. एग्रीकल्चर. If India is an agriculture country, then what percent of the population is involved in it? Is it a primary or secondary activity? What does it produce as a food product? Raw material for which industry? Which product to earn the foreign exchange? 2024 का क्वेश्चन है, what is primitive subsistence farming? How and why is it done? When the fertility of a soil decreases, what does the farmer do and why? Why is the land productivity is low? ध्यान रखिए ये एक सेट के क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये दो तीन सेट से मिले हुए क्वेश्चन हैं. How is intensive subsistence farming done? Why it yield per hectare is high? What kind of cropping is done? Next, what is commercial agriculture? How is it done and what are its inputs? ध्यान रखिए 2024 का भी क्वेश्चन ये है. What kind of crop rice for Punjab and Odisha? Next, what is the plantation agriculture? What are its main characteristics? Next, name the three seasons of cropping. When are the seeds sown in Rabi crops? When are they harvested? Name the important crops in Rabi. What is the other name of Kharif crop? When are the seeds sown and harvested? Give the important name of the crops. What is Ziyad season and its main crop? मैं बार बार ये कह रहा हूं, ये एक सेट के क्वेश्चन नहीं है, एक से ज्यादा सेट में आए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं, उन्हीं को मिक्स करके मैंने दिए हैं. नेम द क्रॉप season of wheat, barley, rice, millet, watermelon, muskmelon, pea, groundnuts, cotton, jute, and cucumber. Rice, position of India in the world, largest producer in the world, कौन सा है? Producing state, इनमें नाम बताना है. Wheat, हिंदुस्तान की क्या पोजीशन है? State producing, ज्वार, पोजीशन यानी कि कौन सी वर्ल्ड में क्या स्टेटस है? स्टेट प्रोड्यूसिंग, कौन सा स्टेट प्रोड्यूस करता है? नेक्स्ट, शुगर केन, पोजीशन इन द वर्ल्ड, लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर इन द वर्ल्ड, स्टेट प्रोड्यूसिंग शुगर केन. ऑयल सीड्स, पोजीशन इन द वर्ल्ड, नेम of the major oil seeds produced in India. Tea and coffee, producing states, cotton, position holding in the world, soil used in the major state, jute, growing states, rubber, producing states, जो भी. Write the institutional reforms of agriculture. What is horticulture? Name the food crops, cash crops, and horticulture crops. Define green revolution, white revolution, yellow revolution, blue revolution, and green revolution. ये अलग अलग पूछे गए हैं, मैंने मिक्स कर कर एक ही क्वेश्चन बनाया है. In the states like Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, the three which paddy crops are grown. Write the status of India in groundnuts and rapeseeds, which are the largest producer. What is crop rotation? What is the name given to a slash and burn agriculture in India? In other parts of India, such as MP, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Ghats, and Manipur, Andaman and Nicobar Island. 2024 के कुछ questions. Which is correct for the rabi crops? Sown in winter, sown in October to December, harvested in April and June. Important for maize, cotton, and jute. Punjab, Haryana, and UP are the major places for the production of wheat. Next, second correct match of the group. First, wheat, a millet crop. Second, ragi, a beverage crop. Tea, a food crop. और maize, a food and fodder crop. इनको कॉम्बिनेशन में आपने क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में जो wheat जो है वो फूड क्रॉप है या नहीं है, इसके बारे में आपने बताना है. What are minerals defined by the geologist? How are they identified? What are rocks? Name the rocks consisted of single mineral. What is ore? ये सब छोटी छोटी डेफिनेशंस हैं, पिछले सालों में पूछी गई हैं, वो मैं आपके सामने रखा है. How are the minerals generally occur? What are veins, lodes? Which are the metals found in the vein and lodes? How do minerals occur in the igneous and metamorphic rocks? How is sedimentary rock mineral formed? Give example. Which kind of mineral are formed by the decomposition on the surface? Name three minerals occur on as a alluvial deposit in the sand of valley floors, base of the hill. Which what are they called? Are the minerals found in the corroded form, यानी कि नष्ट रूप में. What kind of minerals are contained in ocean water? Name the mineral richly found in ocean water. Name the four types of iron ore. What are the percentage content found in the magnetite and hematite? And Badam fur mines is found in which belt? What kind of iron do we get from there? Which mine is found in Durga Bastar Chandrapur belt? Iron from this ore is exported to which country? Or Kurdek Mukh mine are in which belt and state? The slurry or ore is transported to which port? Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra lies in which belt and exported through which port? Name the aluminium ore which is important metal, write its quality. Which of the Indian state has the highest deposit of aluminium? Name the area of Koraput, Koraput district famous for aluminium. Next, name the mineral found in the leaves or plates. Why is very useful for electric and electronic industry? Which state is leading producer of mica? Name the important belt and leading producer of state. What are the danger involved in mining made in India? How does the mining adversely affect the environment? ये जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये चैप्टर से लिए गए क्वेश्चंस हैं. इसमें कुछ ईयर के क्वेश्चंस हैं और कुछ चैप्टर से क्वेश्चन है, जिससे कि छूट ना जाए. What are the difference between conventional and non-conventional sources of energy? Next, coal is an important source of energy. How? Give 3 points. Explain how coal as an industrial raw material. Name this industry for which it provides raw material. What are the coal-based products as a fossil fuel? Next, name the four types of coal. Name the coals of highest quality and percentage of carbon. What is bituminous, uh, bituminous coal? Its percentage of carbon and mostly used in which metallurgical system? Next, what is the color moisture reserve of lignite coal? Name the coal reserve. Name the coal which have low content of carbon and high moisture. with low heating capacity and burning with smoke. What is the age of Gondwana coal belt and territory coal belt? Where is Damodar Valley belt? Name the coal mine present in it. Name the three belts found in Gondwana belt. Territory belt, a coal belt in which northeastern state? Okay. How is petroleum an important fuel? Explain the reason. How does it act nodal industry for which industry? Explain the percentage of petroleum in Mumbai High, Gujarat and Assam. Oil fields as Ankleshwar, Big Boy, Nahar, Katia and Moran or Hurjang belongs to which states? Which mineral are required for nuclear energy? Where are they found? Name the device which changes the solar energy into electricity. Where is the largest solar plant located? How does it help in conservation of fuel and ecosystem? Why India is known as a wind superpower? Which is the largest cluster in India for the wind energy? Name the other centers for the wind energy in India. Next, how can biogas produce? Why is it useful for agriculture? Why should the cattle cake be discouraged? Next, Parvati Valley near Manikaran and Puga Valley in Ladakh are famous for which kind of conventional energy? Next, why is energy important? Give examples and how can we conserve it? Name the eco-friendly fuel. Balaghat copper mine is located in which state? Why are there wide range of color, hardness, crystal forms are found in mineral? Limestone is used in which industry as a raw material? Mention the three characters of ferrous group of mineral found in India. Why there is a need of use of non-conventional sources of energy. What are the two main ways of generating electricity? How are they different from each other? ये 2024 के क्वेश्चंस हैं. Classify between the conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. What are the main uses of manganese? Explain the three methods for prevention the environmental degradation. Choose the correct match. Ferrous is a natural gas. Second, non-ferrous is nickel. Non-metallic mineral is lime. Energy is mineral. Uh, energy mineral is cobalt. Second, what is energy mineral? Which kind of soil is it that widely spread and important northern plain are made of it having a sand, silt and clay? यानी कि ये सैंड सिल्ट और क्ले में पाया जाता है. ये आपको बताना है. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है. Manufacturing industry. Explain with example industries in India have given a major boost in agriculture. 2024 का क्वेश्चन है. Write the contribution and a present growth rate of manufacturing sector in national economy. Suggest the method or measure to increase the industrial growth rate. List major factors which affect the location of industry at a place? What is the key of decision of factory location? Classify industry on the basis of capital investment. How are they different from one another? Explain with the example. Classify industries on the basis of raw material. How are they different from each other? Give examples of the industry which causes water pollution. How can we control water pollution caused by the industries? What is manufacturing? To which sector of economy does it belong? What are the importance of manufacturing industries for India? Suggest the three steps to minimize the environmental degradation caused by industrial development. अब मैंने ज्योग्राफी के भी आपको इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस दे दिए हैं। आप जो है इसको अच्छी तरीके से पढ़िएगा, छोटे क्वेश्चंस पर ज्यादा ध्यान दीजिएगा। इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हाँ, बड़े क्वेश्चंस पर भी ध्यान देना जरूरी है। हाँ, और पढ़ते रहिए, मेहनत करिए। ओके, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो विद आइदर द पॉलिटिकल साइंस या इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट।